FY BCom students, as part of financial accounting, they have to do one practical. That practical name is called GST. So I will show you as per the Pune University requirement. The syllabus is showing under revised syllabus 2019 pattern FY BCom. The fourth unit is Introduction to Goods and Service Laws and Accounting. There are certain subtopics are given: constitutional background, concept and definitions, GST, CGST, SGST, input and output tax credit, procedure for registration under GST. This is the expected level. Now, as per the practical is also on GST, constitutional background of GST, concepts and implication of GST. Now, they have given various method of practical. Since it is a pandemic situation, I have designed self-paced acronym asynchronized mode of learning, where the student can learn anytime, any place, in from any device. That is the advantage of this particular one. And under this project, we are not only covering this particular 4 topic, we have got other topics are also covered under this one. There are around 10 modules of GST as per ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants syllabus. Those who are preparing for CA, it will be also helpful for those people who are preparing for CA to go through it, because most of the materials are taken from some YouTube channels where they are explaining each concepts about it. And these explanation is done by expert chartered accountants. So it would be easy to understand, as well as I have gone through all the modules, so I found it very useful. So I have collected and made it as a program free of cost. So it will be helpful for all the FY students under Pune University Unit 4, as well as the practical under semester 1 financial accounting, to complete the process of practical, that is on GST. So that is the legal requirement under Pune University chapter 4, otherwise unit 4, as well as practical of semester 1 under financial accounting. Both the ones theoretically explained, practical explanation, everything is given in this particular module prepared. This module is prepared under the help of ClickGyan officials. They have prepared. And when you are taking the module, I will explain to you various aspects how you can use it through using ClickGyan. So here we are going to, I have already told you it is a legal requirement. That is, as per Pune University 2019 pattern, you have to complete one practical under GST. There are certain topics given. We have gone little advanced to give more knowledge to the students who are doing this particular course. We have taken around the 10 modules under ICA, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants, and the lectures prepared by eminent CAs, which is already available in a YouTube channel, made into a particular course. So this course is not given by me, it is a guest lectures done by some prominent chartered accountants who have the knowledge on this particular topic, and which is available on free on YouTube channels. But I have collected and collided under certain procedural manner. Now, what is the procedure for it? The student who has registered in Vincent's College will get an login ID password from ClickGyan to their email ID in the email ID that is registered at the time of taking admission. If you have changed the email ID, it will not be possible. So if you have made a mistake in the email ID, it will not be possible to receive your mail from ClickGyan. So using the password and login, that is, login will be normally your email ID and password is already generated and given. Once you log in, I will show you. once you log in, you will get as per your subject, you will get two options, that is soft skills and GST. Now we are talking about GST. Click on my subject under GST and select GST Pune. Open. Once you open, there are various tabs available. The first one is learning. When you click on learning, various options are available, and there is assignment. This assignment since I am an administrator, I will be creating assignments, whereas you will see the assignments put. Now, for example, then there are tests. There are various tests given, so you have to take those tests. This is for any clarifications that meetings are conducted, that time you can use it. And I will also come to know your reports, various reports, how much time you have spent, how many minutes you have watched the entire modules. All these details I will be getting it on the basis of your progress reports. So you will not be having this one, you will get your own report. So that is part of it. So how to take it? Now you click on your learning, there are videos available. So various videos are being given. The first video is introduction, which is I am given. I am giving the introduction video. Then chapter wise it is divided. Chapter 1, chapter 1, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 7, chapter 8, chapter 8, chapter 9, chapter 10. This way, it has been designed and given to you. So you have to go through these videos given by this sir. After going one unit, let's say first after this, the unit 1, you have got 3 videos. Once that is completed, you have to go and take the test. You will be getting a test that is highlighted. So you have to take the test, or you can complete all the videos and take the test. So that way. And if you are looking at documents, if you want the supporting document, so there are supporting document for each chapter is given. Now, if you click on it, for example, GST in India introduction, it will open, and you will get the document available. This document also available in ICA website. So you can also go through there also. It is available, freely available. So from ICA site, there are materials available. You can for your reading sake. So these are the two materials. One is video, second one is documents. These documents are given. Now, sometimes you will also see, I will create a assignment in order to test the level of knowledge that is being performed. So I will give a test here. That means it will show there is a test generated in your mail. In the login details. When you click on assignment, you will see a test is generated, and in the test you are asked to do some work, and after doing the work there will be an option to upload then that particular Word file or a written document, convert into PDF or JPG, you can upload. This is normal test. After conducting this test, I will be getting your scores, and on the basis of the score I will give you the external examination. The external examination will be on Google form, which will be conducted on first week of January. So that much time you have, almost 1.5 months you have in order to complete this particular course. So this will be all about the course. You will be receiving it. Now I have opened the chat and audio for any discussion or any questions you have.
Sir, as you said that this is the practical one,
yeah.
So wouldn't be included in theory exam?
It is also part, I told you, it is also part of the theory part. I showed you that as per the university requirement, this chapter is also there as a 4th unit. So this particular course will give you 4th unit complete discussion plus your practical assignment. So it will be part of your theoretical, practical, normal examination also.
Okay, sir.
If you are not received the login password and all, it is check your email ID, you will get it. email ID at the time of you have registered. That is when you take an admission, that time whatever email ID you have registered, go through it. In that one, it will be available.
So the procedure of sending the password and whatever the procedure which we have to follow from Gyan, they have been sent to the respective email ID already.
Yes, it is already been sent.
Sir, I believe that my email ID is correct because there was a notice for WhatsApp link. I got that email. That means that my email ID is correct in the college documents. Yet I didn't receive one.
You check your spam or any other promotion or any one other it is blocked.
So we have to change our password.
You can change your password. Password is given. There is an option to change the password.
So, sir, this theory, like this GST part, will come in the examination as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, and we have to prepare for that. That's it, right?
Yes.
There will be no any other unit because
Pardon?
there will be no other unit. Like as
The
you
fourth
see,
unit, it will be completely online learning model. Fourth unit, online, complete online model. So everything that is expected to be taught in the fourth unit is taught through these videos.
okay, sir.
And it is also part of your practical, because it is part of your part of the practical. 20 marks is given for the practical. That is 20 marks is assessed internal component and external component. Internal component will be you are watching the videos. If you are watching the videos and giving watching the video, you will get a particular score. In my system, it will show how much you have watched, what time you have spent. It will I get a system report. Second, I will also check how much of your internal assessment, that is, I already given around 8 question papers.
Do you expect us to write some notes?
No. That is up to you whether you want to take down the notes. It is up to you whether you wanted to take down or not.
Sir, it is an app or website only?
It is a web based. So you can no, there is no need of downloading any app. You can join in from Google. You type the message, sorry, the link I have given you, https://clickgyan.com/app/login. It will be showing like this when you open. Maybe when you open this, first time when you opening, there is a message coming in this side. You close it and you put your now when you start watching, you will be getting your score here. You are getting a score getting here. This score should be minimum 500 in order to get your external test paper. If you don't get minimum 500, that indicates that you are not watched it and you will not get the question paper for answering the questions. Now, in case you are not getting the password, there is an option given. You type your email ID and give forgot password. The password will come to your email ID. Now, if you have made a mistake in typing the email ID at the time of registration, then it is not possible.
Sir,
yes.
I can't see the test, my test.
Yeah, that because you have to, after watching the unit only, you can see the test. If you don't watch the unit, you cannot see the test. If you are showing password is incorrect, means your login details are wrong. Any phone, it will work above 4. Normal, if you are able to see Google Chrome latest, then it will work. Yes, there will be an external exam for this chapter. Mean the entire syllabus will have an external exam by the university, which will be of 50 marks. I told you mark division out of 100. 30 marks is internal assessment for internal evaluation. 20 marks is for practical. So GST has got 20 mark specific 20 marks for your exam, and Remaining 50 marks is the external exam, which will cover all 4 units. So I make it clear, as per the Pune University 2019 pattern, GST is a practical subject and it has a weightage of 20% for the university exam. That means 20 marks it is internally given. Now certain topics are being given in the GST as per the Pune University syllabus, but in the portal which you have created has got more topic which will give you a comprehensive idea about the GST. And every stage after completing your watching the videos and understanding the questions, understanding the topic, either by watching the videos or by reading the material given. So either you click on the videos and watch it and afterwards read the material given, then you will be eligible to give the test. After giving the test, you can go to the next. Sometimes it will be enabled once you complete the reading, you can go to the next. But at the end, all the tests of the internal part, there are 8 tests are given that has to be given in order to qualify for internal marks. If you do not receive more than 500 points, you will not be allowed for the external which means this subject is treated as a failed. So if you fail in this subject, the entire this topic, it is treated as fail in the subject, and it will be shown as a etiquette or fail in the first semester, and this you have to repeat in the second semester. There is no other option. So that is why you have to make it serious and complete, read, go through, watch the videos, give the exam, and the final exam will be at the end, that is first week of January, you will have the final exam. So I'm giving you around 1 month time in order to watch the videos. These videos are not created by me. It is already available in the YouTube. But I have used this YouTube freely available material through this portal. It is viewed. I am directing through the portal to the YouTube only. So you will watch the YouTube, these videos, and it will be helpful for you to understand the concept of GST and the various topics discussed under the topic of GST. If you have not received the login details, you have to use the email ID given at the time of admission in the ClickYarn as a username. Click forgot password. You will receive the password into your email ID. Now make sure that your email ID, there is a space to receive the emails. That means there is a sufficient space. If there is overloaded with many documents, remove unwanted document. Make sure that you are going to receive the email.
Sir, there is limit to watch videos on YouTube or not?
No. Through this portal, you can continuously, they say within 2 days, you can complete also. That is up to you. There is no particular time limit. Okay, today how much I need to watch, how long I need to watch, that depends on you, not on YouTube. So those who are having old history, that is 12th standard history, if you are a student of Vincent's in 12th standard, it will lead you to old one because you are not cleared the history. So clear your history, then log in, then you will give the new login details.